Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Zoho Calendar Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the code. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartQ video set up the app. We equally have the setup. At the level of the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL, copy, and head over to your account online. Make sure to visit the Zoho API Console. Once you are here, you're going to click on Get Started. Click on Server-Based Applications. You're going to enter your client's name. You're going to enter your home page URL. And here, you're going to paste your redirect URL. Once you're done, click on Create. You're still going to enter your password. For your password to be confirmed, click on Confirm Password and still click on Create. There we go. Our client secret and client ID has been created. So we're going to copy your client ID, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup. You're going to enter your client ID, go back to your account online, copy your client secret, head over back to your account and paste your client secret. Head over back to your account online and get your data center. The simplest way to identify your data center is to check the top level domain of the URL when you are logged into your Zoho Calendar account. So our data center is .com. So our data center is .com. So we're going to go back to our account and enter our data center. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. And then the user consent page is going to pop up where you're going to enter your email and click on Next in order to allow your application to access your Zoho account data. Once you're done, your app will be connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. At the level of the changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and the changes of the app. If you want to receive notifications, you're going to toggle on this notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.